Why are you texting him?
Facebook.
Move!
Tell him where you are.
Yeah, tell him where you are.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, I gotta get to the other side.
That's what she said. I don't know what the fuck that means, but she said it. You're gonna go towards Robbie's Jeep in a sense.
No, I'm not.
That's the way the tree's already leaning.
Huh?
So the way the tree's leaning.
Why do you think I'm on this side? I can send it wherever the fuck I please.
Alright, Lumberjack Bob.
Cause I'm a lumberjack.
Hey,
Oh shit.
come and jack my lumber. Full on fucking falling. It's rocky at the bottom.
You want me to push the tree back this way?
Don't you touch it. It's long up.
Ah, dude, there's all these bugs and shit in that.
I know.
Oh, they're all on DJ now.
Yeah, I had bugs trying to eat my cock when I was pooping.
Take it down.
Oh, you're getting stuck on a limb.
Now what?
That's what. Oh crap.
This is all on video too.
Day 20 times better right now.
This is just purely to show how high up in the air he is. If you fall on me, when I get out of the hospital, I'm gonna...
Come on. Let me down. Let me down. Let me down. Somebody push that other tree to me. Chris, my arms are fucking getting tired.
He's a monkey.
Oh crap.
Oh, God.
You might want to move. I'm stuck.
And that's the successful one.
Dude, but look, you moved from that tree to that tree.
You can stop it now.